let's go ahead and hit the File tab and go down to the Options here. I want to go to the Customize Ribbon option right here and tell you what you're seeing in this window. This is a list over here of the popular commands. If they're on the right, that means they're currently on a ribbon or tab in your version of Excel. You have the ability to edit this by maybe adding some buttons, or there might be something you don't want, you can delete it. But let's say you're looking for a particular option and you don't see it here. Pull this list down and go to All Commands, and that way you'll see everything. Let's say that I'd like to add a button called Hide Columns, and I want to add it to my Home tab. These are in alphabetical order, so when you look through these, you'll be able to go quickly to them. I'm going to go look for Hide. Notice there's Hide Sheet Rows, there's Hide Columns right there. Excel will not let you add them to an existing group. If I want to put this on my Home tab, the first thing I'm going to have to do is go ahead and create a new group down here. You'll notice it now says New Group, and I can go in and rename that group, whatever I'd like to call it. I'll just call it My Group. And you also can pick little pictures and things like this that you'd like to use as well. I'll click OK, and now it says My Group. I can now take Hide Columns and add that to my group. Now I'm going to click OK, and you'll notice I'm on the Home tab, and if I go all the way to the right, there's a new group, and it actually has the button called Hide Columns. Let's say we want to hide these few columns here. I'll select them, click the button, and you can see now that they are gone. And that's pretty much how you're going to work with this. Let me go back into File, back to Options. I want to go back to the Customize Ribbon, and let's say that you decide you don't want this group anymore or the Hide Columns. Just select it, and notice at the bottom that you have the option to go ahead and reset. And you can go ahead and reset all of your customizations or just on the selected tab you're on. And by doing that, you'll see now that my group has gone, and when I click OK, it is not there anymore. And that's a quick way that you can kind of work with customizing your ribbons and your tabs.